Hi there, that's me a few years ago, celebrating my 50th birthday with a handstand in the Himalayas. Those are 25,000-foot peaks in the background, and I'd gone to Nepal to do some trekking and paragliding. Now, while I was there, a group of athletes, including three-time world paragliding champion Louise Crandall, saw me doing the short yoga routine I'd developed and asked me to teach it to them. Now, they'd all tried yoga before, but for a variety of reasons either hadn't enjoyed it or hadn't continued practicing. But they loved my short routine. They noticed benefits almost immediately, were blown away by the powerful breathing technique I taught them, and loved how easy it was to practice the routine on their own. That routine was the prototype of the runner's yoga routine. But it took almost 3 more years of fine-tuning before I was completely satisfied. I added a special rhythmic beat that calms and focuses the mind and body. I put the flow of Tai Chi into the movements, gave all the postures descriptive modern names like hood ornament and body surfer, and coordinated everything with that powerful breathing technique I taught them in Nepal. I then spent another 1.5 years meticulously producing all the instructional and training material, making sure I recreated exactly the clear, simple methods I've developed teaching thousands of students from Olympic champions to grandparents with back problems, so that no matter what your level of fitness or flexibility, you can learn to practice safely on your own. And finally, I put all the material in digital format so that anyone, anywhere in the world, can instantly download the material and get started immediately. The result is the Runner's Yoga program, a program that will teach you an amazing head-to-toe mind-body workout you can do on your own, almost anywhere, in 30 minutes or less. One of my clients calls the Runner's Yoga program the world's most advanced home fitness program. Is it? Well, who can really say? But I will tell you this. I spent over 30 years and tens of thousands of dollars developing this program. I traveled the world studying martial arts and meditation in Japan, yoga with some of the world's finest instructors, Ayurvedic medicine in India, and physiology and psychology during my years as a registered psychiatric nurse, and every bit of that training and research went into the Runner's Yoga program. It's a unique blend of the best techniques I learned in the West and in the East, which is why I use every single part of it myself. Now, previously, I only taught this program in private sessions or special workshops, but now, for the first time, the online version's available. And I've included massive amounts of material that I've never given anyone before. So please, take a few minutes to scan the website and learn more about the Runner's Yoga program and why it's not just for runners. Read the testimonials and see what others are saying. And remember, you don't have to decide now if it will work for you the way it has for so many others, or even if the price is fair, because I'll give you 60 days to try it out. If you're not happy with it for any reason, just let me know, and I'll refund your money, every penny. Plus, you'll still get to keep all the material, all of it. So really, how can you lose? If the Runner's Yoga program works the way I say it does, you'll be instantly on your way to a healthier, happier, fitter you, with a program you can use for the rest of your life. And if for any reason it isn't right for you, you get your money back, still get to keep everything I sent you, and can start looking around to see if you can find anything that works better. That's how passionate I am about the Runner's Yoga program. Remember, over 30 years of my life went into this, and I use every single part of it myself. So I hope you'll give it a try. See you out there.